Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The specific diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0506, indicates an issue with the idle control system of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Specifically, that the engine's idle speed is lower than what the powertrain control module, PCM, expects. The idle control system is critical as it regulates engine speed when the vehicle is stationary. If the actual idle speed is detected to be significantly lower than the target idle speed, the PCM identifies this discrepancy as an anomaly, leading to the storage of this DTC. The PCM uses data from various sensors to determine the expected idle, and when expectations aren't met, it triggers the DTC P0506. This code can help guide technicians in diagnosing underlying issues, ensuring the vehicle runs at optimal performance. Understanding how to interpret this code and the related symptoms is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. The error indicated by DTC P0506 reveals a malfunction within the idle control system of the vehicle. Specifically, this code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, which is the vehicle's main computer, identifies that the actual engine idle speed is lower than the expected idle speed by a specific threshold. The PCM receives data from the throttle body, engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor, intake air temperature, IAT sensor, and other modules to ascertain the correct idle speed necessary for effective engine operation. The throttle body is typically located between the air intake and the engine, controlling airflow based on the driver's accelerator input. If the throttle body is dirty or damaged, it may not provide adequate airflow, resulting in lower RPMs and triggering this DTC. There are several possible causes for the triggering of DTC P0506. The most common issue is a faulty throttle body. A malfunctioning throttle body may not open appropriately, restricting airflow and thus affecting engine RPM. Cleaning the throttle body is often recommended before considering replacement, as dirt and carbon buildup can significantly impact its performance and lead to incorrect readings. Sensor malfunctions, particularly with the ECT or IAT sensor, can also mislead the PCM regarding the engine's operating conditions, causing improper idle speeds. Additionally, other electrical issues in the wiring or connectors associated with the throttle body could lead to erroneous DTC readings, requiring thorough inspection and testing. Drivers experiencing issues related to DTC P0506 may notice specific symptoms that point to the underlying problem. One of the most common symptoms is the engine idling at an unusually low speed, which can lead to rough operation when stopped, particularly at traffic lights. This might manifest as vibrations or stalling in severe cases. When the PCM detects the discrepancy and records the code, the check engine light will illuminate on the vehicle's dashboard, prompting further inspection. These symptoms underscore the importance of proper idle speed for ensuring smooth engine performance and operational safety. It's essential for drivers to recognize these signs and seek timely diagnostics to prevent further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0506 involves starting the engine and then holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load. For vehicles with continuously variable transmissions, CVT, this means putting the gear selector in P or N, while for manual transmissions, the vehicle should be in neutral. It's crucial to maintain this RPM until the radiator fan activates, which typically indicates that the engine has reached a specific operating temperature. Following that, it is essential to let the engine idle for at least 20 seconds. This period allows the vehicle's various sensors to gather data on engine parameters, which will be necessary for subsequent analysis. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0506, technicians need to check the data list using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. The HDS provides real-time data regarding engine performance, so it's vital to observe specific key parameters. First, ensure that the engine coolant temperature, ECT, sensor reports a value above 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius, to confirm the engine is warmed up correctly. Next, the intake air temperature, IAT, also can be calculated. Sensor should show a reading above 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius, indicating healthy air intake. Additionally, the vehicle speed must be monitored, which should register at 0 miles per hour, 0 kilometers per hour, as this test is conducted with the vehicle stationary. Finally, verifying the short-term fuel trim, AFFB, value should fall between 0.75 and 1.47 to ensure optimal fuel mixture, while the fuel shutoff status, FSS, should show as closed at idle. The third step of troubleshooting DTC P0506 requires monitoring the OBD status through the HDS Honda Diagnostic System. This tool will allow you to check for the presence of the DTC P0506 after performing the previous checks. It's critical to ensure that the diagnostic tool is functioning properly and capturing all relevant data. If the DTC P0506 remains present, this indicates that the previous troubleshooting steps did not resolve the underlying issue, prompting further investigation into the throttle body and related components. Assessing the fault condition will guide technicians on whether to proceed with inspection and testing of hardware components or delve deeper into sensor assessments. For the final troubleshooting step concerning DTC P0506, technicians must begin by disconnecting the throttle body inlet hose from the throttle body. Proper preparation is essential to ensure safety during the inspection process. Once the inlet hose is removed, a thorough visual inspection of the throttle body can be executed. This inspection focuses on looking for any dirt, carbon buildup, or physical damage present on the throttle valve and the bore. A clean throttle body ensures proper airflow, leading to optimal engine performance. If abnormalities are detected, such as excessive dirt or damage, further cleaning or replacement of the throttle body may be necessary to rectify the idle control issue. After addressing the issues leading to DTC P0506 and ensuring the throttle body is clean and functioning properly, it's essential to reassemble all components back to their original positions. After completing repairs, clear the DTC from the vehicle's onboard diagnostics using the HDS. This will refresh the vehicle system and set it to monitor for any faults anew. Start the engine again and observe the idle speed to ensure it operates within normal parameters. A successful verification shows the idle is back to the target range, confirming that the repair has rectified the previous discrepancies. This final verification step is crucial to confirm that no additional underlying issues exist before returning the vehicle to normal operation. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding recurrence of the issues that triggered DTC P0506. Regular cleaning of the throttle body helps to prevent buildup of dirt and carbon, which can impair operational efficiency and affect idle speed. Service intervals should also include checking the functionality of key sensors such as the ECT and IAT, ensuring they provide accurate data to the PCM. Furthermore, using high-quality fuel can reduce deposits on the throttle body and fuel system components, enhancing overall engine performance. Establishing a regular maintenance schedule can help prolong the life of vital engine components and prevent issues related to idle control in the long term. In summary, Understanding DTC P0506 and its implications for the idle control system is crucial for maintaining the performance of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Following the comprehensive troubleshooting steps allows technicians to effectively diagnose and address idle speed issues, ensuring the vehicle functions optimally. The significance of preventive maintenance cannot be overstated. Regular cleaning of the throttle body, sensor checks, and using quality fuel can avert issues that may lead to DTC triggers. By being proactive in maintenance, vehicle owners can enhance reliability, meet performance expectations, and reduce the risk of potentially costly repairs in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.